I'm about to hurt myself.
Let's see it, dude. Keep your head more forward. Yeah, no, straight. Alright.
Go.
Do it.
Oh!
You fucking weenie. You
That
got.
hurt.
No, do it again.
That hurt, man.
Put your head closer back, though.
No, man. It'll...
Do it. Don't be a weenie.
Okay, I'm gonna try to stop it.
Only if you're made. No one's trying to stop it.
No, man, it's gonna hurt. You do it first then.
Then I'm not recording you.
Okay.
Just do it. I want to press record.
Okay. 1.
Put your head closer. Closer. A little closer and I'll hit record.
Man, it hurt my head last time I tried to. It hurt. I gave me a headache.
Dude, it ain't gonna kill you. You're on video. All my friends are gonna sit there and gonna laugh. They'll love it.
Me?
Let's see it. Put your head forward a little
Can I
forward.
like this?
No? Okay, yeah, you can do that. You can do that. Just put your head forward more.
Oh!
You have another
I
fucking
didn't
text
get it.
message.
I didn't get it.
Asshole,
I didn't get it. I didn't hit record.
What'd you say?
I didn't hit record. Do it one more time. She said, okay, 1 minute. We'll send her this video, okay, dude?
Okay.
Alright, do it one more time. Get your head forward. This is going on YouTube, dude. It's gonna be great. You can leave your head there. Okay, ready? Do it.
Oh!
Dude, you gotta stare at it.
No!
You gotta stare at it.
It hurts.
That was a shitty one.
Let me see.
No, I'll show you in a minute. Do it one more time and then I'll show you. One more time.
One more time.
Don't put your hand in the way though.
No!
Come on, dude, be cool.
Don't show me.
YouTube, you'll be famous on this. They'll put you on
No,
American Idol.
man.
They'll put you on American Idol. Trust me, I've seen kids get famous over this. Justin Bieber, YouTube. Alright, you ready? Put your head face forward more. A little more.
How about I go like this?
No. Just don't be a man. Be a man. Get your hand off
I'm gonna
that.
do it and I'm gonna break my back.
Oh my god.
Ah,
You are such a child.
really, man?
I thought you was cool. Get your hand off it. Okay, now press the button. Put your head forward.
It's gonna hurt. You gotta do that for me, though.
Okay, I will. I promise. I promise.
No crossing fingers.
No cross fingers. I'll do it. Let's see it. Put your head forward. More, because right here's where it stops at. Right there's where it stops at.
It stops way back here.
Bullshit. It stops right here. Right here. Right there. Yeah, right there. Perfect. Put your hand off it, though. Put your hand on this. Yeah, now hit the button. Perfect, dude. Perfect. YouTube. Famous.
Have you started yet?
Nope. Yep. Oh, yeah.
It started.
Okay, I just started.
Oh, shit.
Okay. Here it goes. You can do it, dude. You freaking weenie! You freaking... Okay, it's charged. Just don't even think about it. Just hit the handle. Don't even think about it.
Shit. I pulled it, man. Okay.
You're wasting video time.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. Oh, man, I pulled it. I'm supposed to...
Hold up on the handle.
1, 2, 3. Oh!
That's not even worth it on YouTube.